Why is vitamin E good for your skin? Look here: 5 ways to apply. Vitamin E shows spectacular results for the skin, achieving among others, blurring the scars, eliminate the small granites and imperfections, and a natural barrier to protect your skin from the sun's rays. This vitamin is also an antioxidant that protects cells. Remember that, in order to maintain a healthy skin, fill it with vitamin E. The immediate result of the topical application of cream or vitamin E preparations is that it increases the hydration of the stratum corneum and its ability to fix water on the outermost part of your skin, thereby reducing the skin's roughness and increasing its flexibility, which produces an increase of its capacity of defense against the environment. Let it act as an emollient/moisturizer on the skin. On the other hand, reduces the damage to collagen due to the enzyme collagenase. This enzyme increases with age, and as it says, its name is responsible for loading collagen. 1. Apply vitamin E directly to the face. Skin is a simple measure that will really benefit you in the long run, as it helps to delay the effects of aging. The skin is daily exposed to the action of free radicals, which impair the production of collagen and cellular regeneration, leading to a premature or more rapid development of wrinkles on the face. In addition, vitamin E protects the skin from environmental pollutants and sun rays. 2. Due to its action against the aging of the skin, vitamin E is one of the main ingredients of many anti-aging commercial creams. But if you want to take advantage of its properties in a more direct way, we recommend purchasing the vitamin E capsules that you can find in herbalists, pharmacies, or shops specializing in the sale of natural products. You only have to apply its content on the skin of the face clean just before going to sleep to penetrate perfectly in it all night. With this simple step, your skin will begin to be much more vital, fresh and young. 3. Another way to apply vitamin E to the skin is to add the liquid of the vitamin E capsules directly into your usual moisturizer or anti-aging cream, thus enhancing its effect to prevent and fight wrinkles or lines of expression. Pour the contents of a capsule into your cream and spread it over your face when it is completely clean and free of impurities. It affects those areas most affected by the passage of time, and you will quickly start to notice the results. 4. And vitamin E can also be used to make homemade masks that will allow you to benefit at the same time from the moisturizing and rejuvenating properties of other natural ingredients. We propose to elaborate a face mask based on cucumber and vitamin E, ideal to give back to the skin the luminosity and the lost glare. To prepare it, you have to liquefy a well-peeled cucumber with the liquid of 2 capsules of vitamin E. Apply the mixture obtained on the face and rest for at least 10 or 15 minutes with it laid. 5. In addition to applying vitamin E to the skin following the above methods, it is important that this nutrient is part of your daily diet to promote your health, as it strengthens the immune system and protects the body from some diseases that can affect you at the level cardiovascular. If you like the video and you think it can help you, I invite you to give it a like, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel, so you don't miss any videos. Here you have other videos that may interest you.